go and sit down.
Sorry, no, sorry. No.
Please go and sit down.
You see, you don't have to blame me. I am so excited. You see, this is just my first time, so I feel so proud.
Then relax. Relax.
Relax. You don't know what it means for somebody who has been married.
Young man.
Doctor. Thank you very much. Hey, doctor. Hey, thank you very much, doctor. Thank you. How's my wife and baby?
Wife, delivered a set of twins, all boys.
All right. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. You know what? I am going to celebrate and celebrate.
Yes.
And doctor. You're going to give it. Hey, can I go and see this? Please, no, help me thank God, It's not easy.
There is a little complication.
This is the type of English when you hear like this, your head will scatter. I don't understand.
Your wife lost a lot of blood and she could not make it. I'm sorry, she's dead.
My wife will take it. Doctor, how will you kill my wife? I will take it. No. You must provide myself.
God give it.
God should have taken it to the same mistake. If it's true that you this one, you don't know your job. God can never take my zenap. I brought my zenap here for you to deliver her. Doctor, don't tell me to
Calm down.
Hello, Silas, my brother.
Yes, Dede, yes.
How are you?
Honestly, I'm not fine. I'm not fine at all. Yes, the worst has happened.
The worst has happened? What happened? What is the problem?
I just told you I am not alright. My wife died after giving birth to a set of twins.
Your wife just died. Silas, you mean to tell me you are married and you never let us know? Who went with you to marry this woman? Or does our people not have much at all?
That's not the main question now. That is not the main question. This is a digital era. Nobody goes to marry with a crowd. See, you should be consoling me now and not blaming me.
I am not blaming you, my brother. I'm your elder brother. You should have told me before you went to marry. So how are the children? Are they okay?
Well, the children are fine. They are sleeping at the moment.
Have you given them names yet?
Yes, I have given them names. I gave them Dikeh and Onije.
What type of name is that? Dikeh and Onije?
Oh, is that to remind me that I'm a stranger in the north?
No problem. I just called to inform you to the first. That's all. I'll talk to you later.
Nai, are you back?
Yes.
Who was that?
It's my brother Silas.
Who is Onije and Dikeh?
Silas just called to tell me that the wife just died.
Hey! Wife or what?
Yes.
Died?
Yes.
When did he even get married?
I wonder.
Were you informed?
I was not informed. If I was informed, you would have known. Have you not been here with me all these years?
Hey, Silas, who even know where he got his wife from?
I'm surprised myself. I don't know.
Silas. Anyway, Nai, let me go inside. There's something I was doing. Let me go and finish it.
It's okay.
Hey! I'm going to Silas.
Haji.
You're welcome.
Thank you. See, we are sorry about what we have come here for now. We have come to tell you about the death of yours.
What? You mean to tell my Zosa Zainab is dead? That is the biggest joke of the year. What to kenan ku me da ni birin boko ko? Wait for me.
Are you looking for bread to suck? Huh? You want to suck breast? Hey.
Why I call you for this place is for me to tell you what one stupid boy called Salas did to me. He impregnated my Zosa, Zainab. Not only that, he equally killed her. So there, what I want you to do, I want you to deal with him. I want you to punish him. Anywhere he is, go and look for him, get him, and deal with him. Kajiko?
Kasan misiniz?
Zaki, I trust you. I trust you.
Let me tell you. Sanusi Kamaba.
I will see to you. I will see. But then, let me get something for you.
Onye mubukwa onye ugwu mana afọ mo ya n'anya nnukwu. Onye mubukwa onye ugwu mana afọ mo ya n'anya nnukwu. Obuzi ibelibe wenu mo gaskia. I will always love you from my heart. Gaskia. I will always love you from my heart. Gaskia, doesn't matter what comes our path. Gaskia, Obimo, Unimo, Ajiyama.
Good morning. Fine.
Your parents, Inko?
They've gone to market.
See, please, I want to go to somewhere. And I know if I keep these children here, they will disturb the whole compound. Can you please just help me take care of them?
Silas, I have lectures. These are people who are cry. Your lectures.
Take care.
Baby, bye bye, yo.
You don't have any other products that can make children grow very fast?
Oh, okay. Let me get this one.
And very good milk. So can I see that one?
Here is it.
This one?
Yes.
Can this one make them, like when they drink a week, like 5 months, they can represent Nigeria in running? Running. I mean, the one will be saying when they drink them now, before 5 months, they're going to toast woman for root. Like woman going to pass now, this one, where they going to, this one going to say, hey, yo, baby.
Okay.
See the one I have here, my ball. It makes children grow. Not the one that will make them those gears on the road.
Now you get children. Now your own. How much with that one?
It's 1,800.
For what?
Eh?
How much last?
Okay, it's 1,800.
I want 5. If not 1.5, add 1 make there. Tie and bring them immediately.
Okay, it's 1,000.
Now 1.5 I won't give you. It will be. I know they buy them before.
Okay, it's 1,800.
Put milk there, make you bring them.
We give you milk.
The more you look, the less you see.
That's it.
Hey! Angela!
Papa! Brother is back!
Papa?
Healthy.
Papa, thank you. See how big you are. What are you eating? Eh? Papa, see, Papa, let me tell you, I've really missed you all. And I'm happy that I'm home.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And then forget to even call me your father.
Papa, the issue is this. I'm back and I will make it up to you. Yes.
You're welcome. Welcome, Mom.
Brother,
Togo. Bonsoir, Togo Sava. Sorry. I thought I'm still in Togo, understand? That means Togo is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go in, my son. You're welcome.
Hey.
You're welcome.
I've really missed you. Oh, wow.
A duniya ko ka zama utility. Idan
Where is this girl? Chinelo! Chinelo! My God. Oh, no, okay, you will hear from me. Eh? Chinelo, what are you doing with Paul in my house? Chinelo, what are you doing with Paul in my house? So, you want to ruin yourself?
Hey, no, Papa.
Eh?
He came to deliver a message. Oh, she can't be issue.
Yes. He came to deliver a message inside you. Where?
Hey, Papa, no.
You hear from me. I'm not in a mood for the seat now.
What is the problem? Careful.
Where is that your useless son?
My son? And why are you holding a machete?
If I'm holding a machete, is it your business? Go in and bring that your son now.
Anyway, my son is not around.
Ha! You better warn him, oh! Warn him to stay away from my daughter. Warn him, oh! If I see him go close to my daughter, what I will do to him? Ha! Ha!
But what has he done? Careful, Mekwan.
I will bring you back his cup. What? I will bring you back his cup.
My God! It's again! My God! It's again, man! Ibo!
See, each time I see you, my mind, everything, my heart, my soul, they jump in. You see all these Togo girls, all these girls in Togo, What if you say them fine? There's no difference between you and them. I'm telling you, the only nonsense difference there is that they used to go naked. You yourself, you used to wear clothes, cover everywhere. Nobody will see anything.
You want to be going around naked?
No, I'm not saying that. But if we are together and maybe want to sing hymn 35 or Psalm 35, if you stay naked, if you stay naked.
Paul.
Is this iron? You know why you're calling also?
It's your hand that is iron. And you, what are you doing with him? Don't you see he's my boyfriend?
Your boy waiting? See, baby, I told you that I have a sister that the father died in Otto's motor's accident. I told you that she's the one, and she's fond of me.
Hey, Paul.
Barnabas. If you see me, can't you go?
And you, what do you think you're doing with him?
What kind of question is that one? What do you think I'm doing?
Yes. Joanne.
He's my fiancé.
Waiting. Hey! Is that how you do? Okay. You want to come to our company? Each village and village, they are released to Kugishim, Bankum, Bramla, Barnabas. Paul. Barnabas.
And you, I'm warning you. Stay away from him. Stay away from him. So if I don't, and then he gave me if I don't. This again, if I don't.
This a match. This is a match. This is a match. This is a match called WrestleMania. WrestleMania Last Man Standing. Yes, I can see that the nothing between Justice the sister is speaking. He's speaking lips. Giving the other one as if she's good. Where? This is a match between Randy Orton and Basisita. Randy Orton is speaking. He's speaking live as if.
What took you so long? Oh, just to get something for me at Pawpaw.
Eh? Mama, I met my friend. She delayed me.
And what is that? This sound in my head, what is it? Sand? No, you have been fighting, eh?
I'm a more.
You have been fighting?
I'm going to I'm okay. Maybe it was when I passed through Mboko. I didn't fight.
Okay. Since you did not fight, that's enough. Very soon your father will be back. Okay. Huh? That's enough. Okay.
Nana Alaji. Nana. Oh yeah, search inside.
Go inside. Go inside there and bring that boy out of this place.
That boy is a criminal. Yagudu. Kai! Yagudu. Kai la ila illallah. This boy is a real criminal. Born criminal online. Zam Kamash Alaji. Zaku Kamash go. Sam Kamash. Please, I'll be very, very happy. This boy must pay for everything he has done to me. He impregnated my Zosa, and now he's running away. Zakuchu Obonshi. Don't worry. We'll get him. Okay. Don't worry, Alaji. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Go back to your new girlfriend.
But you know you insulted me. Yes. You insulted me like this. You insulted me. Why will you think such a thing? That me, myself, Frenchman, after spending long time in Togo, I'll come back to this village to talk to that village church rat. Eh? Or baby, do you know in this village you are the most pretty, in fact, the most beautiful girl in this village. Onye jigiji hema.
I saw the way you were just looking at her.
In fact, forgive me for talking to her in the first place. She was even asking me where she can get her kerosene. So I told her that But that's not the case. The case here is this. I'm sorry. Okay, what will I buy for you?
You want to buy something for me?
Leave guy, go straight to the point. What will I buy for you?
See, just promise me you'll never talk to her again.
So if I stop talking to her now, you will be okay?
Yes.
You will be okay? You don't want me to buy anything for you?
Bye bye.
I promise.
You promise?
I won't talk to her. In fact, if she's coming from this angle, I'll follow the other angle. In fact, if I see her, I will form as if I'm blind.
Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, Nekumu Ejima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, Animulu Ejima. The more you look, the less you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, Nebumo Ejima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, Animulu Ejima. The more you look, the less you see. ABC Fetchenede.
Egitenamge. Egitenamge. I have got you.
Utocha, Maruzo, get out of my way before I beat you black and blue.
Chile. Maka mam jiri mochi. I was very busy. Ihuna tama gbage. Ma gige ru ala. Oh, ma gita. Mba. Mfocha ge ige ru ala. Mfocha ga ajono. Ele hapo gage. Mfocha ga ajono.
Mizuzupu n'ụzọ kita Mfocha ge ama akụ gị gwogwo.
Ige mem. Mebe me ata. Ele haga. Chileke. I'm chorola undo. I'm chorola kio. Chileke.
Hey. Silas, you are welcome.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Come, Silas. How come you went to marry without informing me, your elder brother?
Yes, so the most shocking news was when you told us of her death.
Well, I'm very sorry for not informing any of you.
address there. Eh? Come to my house. Don't fail me, fa. Eh? Kuma, bari. To, gashi dai.
Oh no.
Keko. Silas.
No, Alhaji, no, don't worry.
No, you help me. I'm very, very happy, wallahi. Gashi, Silas. Eh?
You know, suppose what you.
No, as you do for me, I will do for you.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
I will help you.
Thank you.
Eh? Don't fail.
Thank you, sir.
Yawwa.
Bye-bye.
Yawwa. Hi. Now go to Kaji. Sit down, Zona.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yes. Hey. I must have to thank you. Thank you very much. Because if not for you yesterday for assisting me, I would have missed my appointment.
Yo, don't mention. Don't mention, sir.
Okay.
Don't mention.
So, Yenzukuma, I'm going to employ you. With that application, nothing. I'm calling you as my security guard in the house. And that comes with apartment, feeding, and 30,000 as your salary.
Alhaji, thank you, sir. Hey, Alhaji, God will bless you. Thank you.
Sir, I see God will bless you. Zona. Huh? Zainab.
Na'am baba. Sani da zuwa. To ina ta neman ka tsintini ban ganka ba ina ka je?
A dole kun tafi aiki. I must have to go to work.
To.
I must have to go to work.
So why you work from?
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Wanga kuma shi Silas ko? Silas. To. He's our new security guard.
Oh. Yeah, also.
Thank you. Zaki je ki gwada mishi the apartment and other sections of the company.
No, Baba.
Kin ji ko?
So
Zainab will show you other areas. You're welcome.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Silas ko? Silas.
Two.
Silas, I've told you, don't call me madam. Just call me Zainab. My name is Zainab.
Madam Zainab.
Okay. Yeah, Halima. This Silas, our new gate man. Silas, my childhood friend Halima.
Senu.
Welcome.
Yeah, Aiki.
Mba ya nori abro dora git.
Children of nowadays, no single respect. Eh? And look, Alema, this is Silas, our new gate man. Gate man, more. Hey! No single respect. Hey!
What are
Sorry.
you doing?
Sorry, man, sorry. Sorry, I didn't see you coming. I didn't know you were coming back too soon.
No problem. What are you doing?
I was just enjoying a local song and dancing to it.
Oh, yes. So that's your local song?
Wow. Yes, very lovely.
Wow.
It is called Egu Ogene.
What?
Egu Ogene. Egu metal. Like it's two. They like it.
Anyways, Bangani,
Yes.
huh? No problem, Ko. We too, we have our own local dance. Our local song, yes.
Okay.
And I think I have one on my phone. I can, yes. Let me go and bring it up.
Okay, I'm going to there.
That's why it's in Kaumaka. Muna dinamu, Ko.
Muna dinamu.
You don't understand. Don't worry.
No,
we have
na Muna dinamu.
our own local song, so I can bring it for you.
Muna
I
dinamu.
have one inside my phone. I can bring it for you.
Okay, I'm going to there.
What?
Muna dinamu.
Yes, I mean we have our own too.
Gaskia.
Okay, Gaskia.
Madam, to Madana. Okay, go today with them. Madana, we do it. Madam, can now forget to cook in a room and what they are here. Okay, help. Imache. Okay, we're not Tuesday. Tikasia. Get there, Maddie. Huh? For what? Huh?
You're doing some exercise, bro?
Well, like, gashi na keeper.
Zan wuce aiki kenan.
So, kachi breakfast?
I'm okay. I've taken my breakfast.
So, now go the papa.
Madam. You are doing exercise?
Yes.
Yes,
so I have to do exercise. But I get the Nike Baba.
Oh, yeah?
Nike bar.
Nike bar.
I mean, I'm growing fat.
Okay, yes. See, I used to be the sports trainer. I train every kind of sport.
Silas,
Yes.
don't you?
No.
You mean you?
Yes, now, if I handle you, if I coach you, 2 months.
Are you serious?
Watch me. Watch me now.
Not say exercise, pa. I'm not saying baby father. Just exercise. That's what I'm saying.
You sit like this. Just do this. Like, come here. Come on, let's go.
On my legs.
Like this, if I'm doing it like you don't do it. Oh, you do it, then you do it. Wait. Huh? Don't worry. I'm the expert. Oh yeah, bend down.
But haka ba? Kache haka.
Haka. Upu. Use your upu.
What are you saying?
Haka can be like this. Manuku kampa. Just debut to.
Hey, Silas.
Yeah, correct. So you see that
exercise.
I know. Exercise. Erasure, come close. Then you face me. Then hands up. Then I come like this. If I hold like this now, I turn you. You know, when I turn like that, called squeezing.
Zainab, must you serve me the food yourself?
Yes, the thing is, the maid was supposed to bring it, but can I kiss you? I have to bring it.
Onataki soup.
Can I kiss you?
Obalago Kobugin.
Can I kiss you means she was making her hair.
Oh, it's not a turkey soup. Guess what you go with? Shampoo? Yeah?
No, kiso.
Yeah, shampoo. No?
Whatever.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh. Hello.
Okay, just enjoy your food.
Yeah, you go say you.
Well done, and that plate, you know, and my fork. Yeah?
You say?
I'll come and take my plate later.
Eh.
Okay.
I get a sense of one car for you. I've got plantain. Yeah.
That is it, bro. I don't know.
Zena,
Uh-huh.
be careful with that yammer.
What?
You have me.
Hey, Halima, why would you tell me that? When in Yamaliki, Bonso, wallahi belaila zibonso, Kreki Padakma, in our ranky de Maganana. Nina Tabas, she got Harkinki de Abu. No, Bonso, Kreki Mapadakma. May haka. So go, haka koe, sacred Bonso, Kreki Padakma, ni Bonso, Jihaushpa. In our ranky achiki. No, but like seriously, what is your problem? What did you see me doing with him?
Okay, no, it's okay. Sorry, I'm sorry.
No, Nibon super. Kreki Padakma. If you have come here, let's talk about what we are talking about. Nibon so I don't like it. Wallahi Zainab, I don't like it.
Now, Silas, take that note to that address.
Yes, sir.
Hand it over to Malam Yahaya. Hajiko?
Yes, sir.
Make sure that you hand it directly to Malam Yahaya.
Thank you, sir.
Hajiko?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, so in English, it is called food. Then in Igbo, it is called Nri. Nri, say it.
Huh?
Nri.
Hi.
Say it right, Nri. Say it small. Ionya. Okay. After we don't go. Nri, correct. You're correct. Good girl.
Okay, let me tell you. Now that you've told me in Igbo, let me tell you in Hausa. So in Hausa, we call it Abenchi.
Yes, I've had something like that before. Abuchi. It sounds more like Abuchi, one of my friends. That's the name, Abuchi.
No, our own is Abenchi. Abenchi.
Abuchi. The meaning is very simple now. Abuchi, that is Madu Abuchi, like somebody name. Abuchi. Abenchi. Abuchi.
That's the meaning.
Do you know the food they call okwa?
How?
Okwa.
No.
Okwa is. Let me write it. Okwa. Okwa. Okwa.
Are you sure?
There's one you people used to eat.
Are you
in
sure?
Your plate, they call it
Kuka.
No, kuka. Tuwo.
Tuwo is like semovita.
Okay.
Yes.
God, thank you. You know. Hey. Hey. See. Nothing. It's just that you're thinking. I've been thinking of you. So thinking, it's taking over. Let me teach you something. I watch something. Television. I watch something. You go. Yeah, you feel like this. You know, they'll be singing. Well, powerful song. Let me sing for you now. Love song.
Sing, I'm listening.
You like it.
I'm listening.
If you hear this song, your heart will melt. Okay, let's go. It's totally for you. Yeah. I love palm wine. Beautiful life. You like it, Cross?
No, okay, wait.
You don't like
no,
it?
I don't like it. Wait, let me teach you.
Okay.
One, two, see, it's called, you just put your left hand like this. Nyari nya na so he so say.
Nyari nya ina so he so say.
Nyari nya na so Baba?
What are you doing there?
I came to spread the... No, Baba. I actually spread them since I just came to check.
Ah. Okay. Have you been able to see Silas? Yeah.
Silas, Baba, no, I've not seen him. Didn't you check his duty post?
Okay. Better still. In King Areko,
Yes, Baba.
you go and tell him that he should come to me. He has an errand to run for me. Kinjiko?
Oh, Baba.
Nachi Abuchi.
Okay.
Thank you. Nachi.
Oh, Baba.
Why is your pace like this? As if I won't come back to this house. Eh? It's just a business trip. Don't let him down.
Baba, now that's what you always say. Zaka tafi yanzu ba zan ganka ba da wuri.
Don't let him down. I must have to come back. Just take care of yourself and the house. Kinjuko? Huh?
Oh, Baba.
Be a good girl. Oh, where in there?
Ka je lafiya ko? Ba za ka daina ba ko?
Ah, ba zan dade ba. Eh? Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
Oh. To me zan yi yanzu.
Ali, I hope there's fuel in the car.
Yes, sir.
My phone. Zainab. Zainab was the girl holding my phone. Huh? Huh? I forgot my phone, Allah. Aliu, Zaka koma baya da Allah. Eh?
Wallahi.
Yeah, you will turn back. Let's go to the house. Eh?
Okay.
I need to pick that phone. Oh, Zainab, this girl will kill me. Eh? I need to hold that phone. Just drive and turn back, please.
No problem.
Hankali. Yawa. Kai. Every time Zainab will be paying with my phone.
Hey! Zainab.
That's so fun.
No, see ya. Like I just tell you, see, ever since I came to this house, I swear that only you.
Yeah, are you serious?
Yes, now, only you.
Wallahi. So wait. You mean before you came to this house, you've been doing to other people?
No, more. I'm not lying, I swear. For your place is wallahi, but Makachinek here.
No, wait, let me tell you. It's wallahi.
Wallahi.
Yes. Then if you are very sure and serious, you now say wallahi. Wallahi billahi zi wallahi gaskiya wallahi.
That's why I don't so with it. But if you're serious and over serious, in our own you say, marketing like it. In Igbo you say to. Silence. So when I go get money, I go buy you. If I make money, first of all, I'll buy you. What do you want me to buy for you?
Wallahi gaskiya. Kasiya. Okay.
Suya. You're not that cheap for me to buy you suya. Except with skill. No, that's not what I'm saying. It can last for years.
Calm down.
Okay.
See, what I'm saying is...
Zainab.
I said Kasiya.
I thought you said you don't want suya. Telling me Kasiya.
Hold on, that's what I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
Okay, see, you buy me Range Rover.
Range Rover suits. Range Rover suits.
Back.
Zainab.
Baba.
May I get tired of one Yamin?
Aha! What you people were waiting for me to leave the house so that you can start your Tom and Jerry love appear.
Baba,
and you, what is that your name? Silas ko Silas?
Silas, sir. Silas.
Kachu go Obanka.
Thank you.
Wato na ta me ke ka kenan abin da zaka biya ni da shi ko?
Wato kenan na baka aiki.
Yes, sir.
Aiki da ni baka kenan wajen iyana ne.
Thank you, sir.
To bari kai ya mini dodon doya.
Sir?
Na ta me ka na baka aiki ko?
Ka mai da aiki wajen yarinya dinan ko?
Yes, sir.
Bari nan dawo zan yanka ka kaman rago.
Baba ka ya kuri dan Allah.
Amma ke Zainab kin ban kunya. Bari je dawo.
Baba ka ya kuri.
Kai.
Baba. Kai kuni baba.
Bari jira ni.
Baba ka ya kuri baba.
Kai, kai mara kunya ko? Kai mara kunya.
Ka ya kuri ba mu yi komai ba baba san Allah ka ji mana. Wallahi baba wallahi billahi lazim baba ba mu yi komai ba you don't do anything.
Hey, Kuma, I implored you here. What is that your name? Silas ko Silas? Silas. I implored you here as a security man, but you decided to scrutinize my only daughter. Let me tell you, better leave my compound. Leave my compound.
No, sir. We did.
Leave my house.
I beg you, sir. In the name of God, sir.
Do you know God? Kai baka sa Allah.
Okay. In the name of Allah.
Don't know God.
Allah. Okay, Musa.
If I see you near my compound again, I'll slaughter you like Abia.
Please, sir. Sorry, sir. She got Aki. She got Aki. Bakiji. Leave this compound. Leave this compound.
Baba, just forgive him. If he
Okay.
comes, I will go. Baba, don't be.
A security man.
It's silence.
Sir, Silas for Silas. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sorry for yourself. Just wait for me there.
Baba, then Allah, Baba. Now she go. Come and play with him. Please, girl, wait. Do you want to leave him? Come and play with him now.
Zainab, you don't have to be harsh on your father. Please pick his call, please. Pick his call.
Why should I pick his call? Wallahi doesn't pick him back. He hates me. If he doesn't hate me, why did he treat me like that? I want to have your child. I love you. It did not matter to him.
He is still your father no matter what. Please just give him the respect first. Please, Zainab, please.
I'd rather follow you and I'm with you.
I understand, I know, but he is still your father no matter what. Please, listen to him. Know why he's calling you, please.
Okay, then like a burn me, I won't pick it. Ita kira bizem pick him back. Gaskiya bizem pick him back. Baba Banabani, Bonsu. You just leave it.
Please give me the phone. Let me answer if you don't want to answer it. Please know why he's calling you first.
Leave him. He has asked me to leave the house. We are fine now. You're not happy that much.
I am not too happy because he's still your father. He's my father-in-law.
He's my
Silas, please don't try this next time.
Yes.
It's important to respect people's culture.
Yes, madam.
So, what about her people?
Her father died a month after. Although I tried coming home to introduce her, but we had a little problem trying to have children.
Hi. Such a sad story. Eh? Silas, let me go in and prepare something for you. Eh? I can see you are very hungry.
Okay, thank you. So, that is it. But I believe that
two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ujima, Nekumu Ejima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, Animulu Ejima. The more you look, the less you see. Two heads, double wahala.
Hey! Where do you think you're going? Come back here! Didn't you hear what Mama said? Didn't you? He said that you people should remove the plate after the meal. Didn't you hear?
Hey! Yarina! But you are the last person that finished it in now. Why can't you remove it? Are your hands tied? Ask her. You are a girl. You are asking us to remove plates. You're supposed to carry the thing and go and keep it at the backyard.
What is going on here? Can somebody tell me what is going on here?
Mama, nothing. Just that they refuse to remove the plate. That's all. That's all.
Mama, na, is she not Yarina? She's supposed to carry the plate and go and keep it at the backyard. Yes.
Come. You people are supposed to know that after your meals, you should carry the plates to the backyard. Oh yeah? Idika, you and Onije should carry this plate to the backyard. Do it now. Will you do it right now? Immediately.
Walai.
Oh yeah, carry this one. Carry it. Oh my God, come on. Come back.
The more you look, the less you see.
Papa.
Neka, what is it?
When these children from me, the train stone at my back.
Oh. So instead of two of you to walk up and go to farm, you're here throwing stones. Okwaya? Eh?
Papa Neka, leave them alone now. Eh? They just returned from the north and they are here to master everything in our land. Please take it easy on them.
What is on them? Is it not now they will know how to farm? Or is it when they grow old?
Papa, don't worry. If you don't work today, I will eat your own share of food.
Let me warn you. We must go to the farm and finish on time and come back. Or if you don't work today, make sure there's no food for you in the house.
Children, but beyond what you see. Sigi two heads, umwaka, double wahala, okunuka. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ujima, nebuwe jima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ujima, animule jima.
Hey, stop there. Where are you going?
Sambo.
What is Tambo? Where are you going? You said Tambo.
I came to see my people here.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you are not one of these boys that used to terrorize this place?
Check that one. Check that one's cap. That one is a lamb rubber. Check in cap.
Oh, yeah.
Get up!
Come back.
Maybe that's the name of the person they want to go and see. Sambo Emmanuel.
I'm tired though. I'm serious. I'm tired of this.
You always tired. Okay, no problem. Go and find it.
You always tired. Go and lie down. Yes,
Hey.
Why now?
You say why? Me, why?
What did I do you now?
Me, why now?
Huh? Obo say who machete?
Me, why now?
My man, why now?
What did I do now? If I leave this thing for your neck, your papa and your mama don't go know you again. You the mad? You the crazy?
Silas,
put that thing back.
Silas. Muno West our bullets. Sorry, Muno West our machete. Use another hand, kill the boy. Muno say, making that peacefully. Use another hand, bring him.
Do it now. Come on, pull over also. Pull over.
Hey! Silas! Get him! Push him!
Go.
Thunder go fire you, they're mad. Huh? Look at this guy. Huh? Make sure he doesn't escape.
Who?
Pursue him.
Pursue it.
Pursue him, no let him go.
Now you make this guy run.
You the craze?
Huh?
You the
Now
craze?
you make him run.
I make him run.
When you don't reach close, you're supposed to catch the boy behind him. You don't catch him.
Are you
Why
mad?
you leave him?
Are you mad?
Eh?
Shut up. Are you mad?
We are mad.
Are you mad? Idiot. Don't make sure he doesn't escape. No be you talk say when I be one take this thing come out in head. No be tell me say make I not use machete.
I tell you say make you no use machete, make you no waste our bullets. Sorry, make you no waste our machete. Say make you use ordinary have your hand catch him. No be wait I tell you. Huh?
You the craze.
Who?
You.
Me the craze. Huh? Salas, you know what will happen here? You know what will happen here?
What?
Catch, see, that boy, I know where Ingo. If you follow this road straight, come, go. You get one uncompleted duty. Salas. I say the boy will go, no. The boy they come back, oh. Salas, wait for me. That boy will say hold on.
Yeah?
Let's say hold on.
Gone.
I did tell you. Let's say hold on.
Let me be lighter. Let me be lighter. Come, this maybe I again.
You guys run like this also.
No, I just run like this.
Go to your bullet. You see all this vigilante group, those recruit. As I do come my own, no. Now the other one call me. I can't ask her why. Now this guy begin to beat me. Oh. They match me. So they, even the other one beat me. So they can't call your name, say bullet. Say no go fit do anything.
You say?
He call your name, say bullet. You no go fit do.
I know here you talk him again.
I said as I just they come out. Now so these guys, the guy, see, they beat me. They beat me up, match me. If you see what these guys, they roll me for grand. So the other one can't call your name, say bullet. They even call your name boss. And if they say what of carton, 90 carton now. Carton, if you empty carton, 60 down, even the other one himself, when they talk say, now who be bullet? That today he go do us something. He come my name, say who be bullet? Say pull up on my own and small shit. That he go do you something. I mean us. Go show me where they did.
Huh? For this village, na person they ginger me, I go shoot them.
Me,
I go
pull over for
them
this
to the
village.
place.
Why do you allow that boy to escape?
You know you're very stupid.
I'm very stupid.
Just shut up. Are you crazy? Huh?
So you can shout on me now. Ordinary thief, ordinary common single thief. You don't think catch him?
I go enter you.
You enter me?
I go enter
How?
you right now. You're mad. Why did you allow me to run that kind of run for nothing? Free of charge.
Then why do you make me to assist you in running that kind of run for free?
Did I not ask you to pursue him?
Then did I not ask you to catch the boy?
No, I'm not telling you to pursue him.
Pursue who?
Pursue that boy. I don't tell you.
Inside that forest. Inside that forest.
See, you're stupid.
And
I'm
you are
telling you, you're very stupid.
And you are hopeless. Yes.
Anyway, don't worry.
Yeah, that guy. Don't worry, I know him. I've recognized him, and I'll recognize him anywhere I see him. Is it not pullover?
I'll
search for him in this whole community, and the moment I catch him, I'll pull him over. That's how we roll. For what?
I'm thirsty.
Yeah?
I'm thirsty. I need to drink.
Don't worry, go through, go that river.
Huh?
The river, go river, bring him back. Go to drink water, relax.
Bullet, what I can't see you here. We will pull her over.
Get down there!
I want just pull over for this village.
Get over!
Eh? Did they mad? May just the pray, man, no catch them, my papa them. If you catch them, just give the 2 bullets. I mean, be pull over. Bullets? Huh? If you see them, just give the 2 bullets. Only 2 bullets? The one just pull over for this village. Huh? Let me pull over. Did they mad?
See what will happen now? Yes. You see what will happen now? Let's go back to our checkpoint. Yes. Like this. Oh, what kind of stupid question is that? What kind of question is that?
Don't go far.
Are we not members of the Vigilante?
We are members of the Vigilante.
Then let's go back to the checkpoint. Follow. Hold up.
You first run as you run. I told you, how only me go there? See, no, just make me sense. Like, I go use this thing and just come up. Is it crazy? Huh? Is it, as I go use and come, stop your neck. No. That's not what she. Stop what she. Stop him. Just stop him. Stop him now. Stop that thing. Stop that thing.
Why do you never do anything? You just run.
Take up, coward. That's when they say men come out, you go come out.
No, you.
No, men come out, you go come out.
You let this come out, you go come out.
I go slap you. See, the man.
He said go do it. You do it.
You the crazy.
You go do it.
You the crazy. You the crazy.
See, not try me, not try me.
The man. When they worry you. I mean, for what thing? When they say when man come out, you go come out.
You when say if they say make yes come out, you go come out.
Stop that. I go. Stop waiting. I go wound you for hell.
You go wound
I go with the man.
Me, no. You go wound me.
I go wound you. You go wound me. Stop that nonsense. You the crazy?
Wait, you go wound me.
I go finish you for here. You the man.
What did I do?
I go. You the crazy?
Not try him. Not try him.
You the man. I go.
See, come, not try him.
Hey, Ricardo! Ricardo!
Oh boy. Rigi.
Alpha.
Oh boy.
My brother.
You just arrived now.
Oh boy, I just the land.
Hi.
I just the land.
Now wow.
Oh boy. Now you with this?
Long time they worry me. Oh boy. Hey! Why not fresh?
You don't large, my brother.
I don't spread, man.
You don't spread.
Hey!
Hey! Ricardo!
Yeah, I don't spread. Thank you.
Come
on.
Silas,
my brother. What's the happen? For where?
How? Why am I being half naked?
Okay.
Forget my brother. We go swim.
You go do wetin?
You go swim. This water dey hot.
You know what I said? We'll go pay 500 naira.
How you go swim for here? This is the road to the river.
No, they get swimming
No be road to the river, dey the other side.
We take Appium.
Appium. Go swim. Swimming pool. There's new swimming pool. Pool of
Okay,
the
no
side.
problem, no problem. You know what will happen there? We'll try see, enough gist.
Make we hook up.
Enough. Silo.
Retardo!
Follow.
We did there.
Follow.
Follow.
Correct. Okay now. Hey! Retardo! We go see.
I don't understand your children anymore. Do you know that after their last visit to their mother's place at Ugwausa, they have changed entirely?
Calm down, Mama Neka. Just take this, please. Relax and tell me exactly what happened this time, please.
It's not what happened this time, but more things to happen. They are so full of themselves. Very stubborn. In fact, sometimes I get tired shouting on them.
I understand. Just calm down. You know they are children. And I believe they are just trying to get used to their environments. But I promise you they will change.
Did I hear you say they will change?
They will change.
When will that be? And this Hausa language they have suddenly started speaking. You better talk to them, oh. You better talk to them.
Don't worry, I'll talk to them. I'll surely talk to them.
Do you know they now call themselves Hassan and Hussein?
Huh?
I do abin da kuna so, insha Allah, I get up for here. Yalla kara ku da mai aljanna. Kuna jina? Kun jina ko? Yawa. Ai kun ce kuna so yaro ko? Sai iba muku yara. Sai iba muku ne, kuna ji? To ku dakata kawai. Yaro ko? To ga yara na diba. Some for my children here.
Thunder. Yeah, okay, man. You like, meaning what?
My husband, stop it.
How can you give me stones as my children?
Now this guy children they born.
No, like your plan. This is your plan. You brought me here to be really told as my children.
Allah kara ku da mai aljanu nan ba. Kuna ji na?
Baba ka yakuri.
Ina riske cike naka.
Dan Allah ka yakuri. Bai sani bane. Husband, that's not what he's saying.
Okay.
To ku dakata. Kina ji na?
Baba.
Ga su nan. Ga Hassan da Husaini. Kuna ji na? Hassan da Husaini kenan. Ku kwashe kawai ku kai gida. Kuna ji na? Bude hannunki. Jike ta sosai. Kin ji? Kun je kula ku kula da yaran nan. Ku kula da su sosai. Look up for where very powerful. Kuna ji na? Very, very powerful, the great. Biamushi.
All he's saying is, he's not saying they are stones. He's telling us that we will have children, twins, Hassan and Husseini. That's what he's saying. That's what he meant by saying we should take care of them. He's just telling us now that we have the children, but we should take care of them, that we shouldn't hurt them. Whoever hurts them will be in trouble.
Amen.
And we should name them Hassan and Husseini. That's all. My husband, please calm down.
Kuna kutapi. Njamu kukunye. Kuna jina? Kina jina? Drop on my ear. Drop on my ear, jump kukunye. Upaka ukade. Dala beri mo kunye mana.
You don't say make I drop on you.
Yamushi mana beri mo kunye dala.
Please stop it. Don't spoil things for us. Please just stop it.
He said I should drop his ear. And I need to obey him. I don't fear this native doctor people I beg.
Stop it. Don't spoil
When is that kenaka?
Kaya pray Baba, then Allah.
Ashe kai kina nena jamu kunye kama wani akuya ne.
Kaya jine, saboda Allah kaya tin, then Allah kaya pray.
Na ukane, I demand.
All them going Hebrew. But this is my drum ear. Onya wa the cock. Exactly.
Shine na jamu kunye kama wani
Kaya pray Baba, then
Shina ukane?
Don't saboda ni then Allah kaya pray. Saboda Allah, then Allah.
A yaran din nan ba kun je gida ku bi cikin shi da hankali.
To.
Kuna jina? I want the heavy jikisu, the one I the bar chow, Allah for the bar chow zibi jikisu. Kuna jina? If you don't what you know good, what you do good, you follow. Tell him Puram. Gama is getting and shake sha.
To, then Allah, kaya kurizenge amishies. My husband, please. All he's saying is we should take care of the children. That nobody should hurt them. That whoever hurts them will be in trouble. Okay. He's just giving us a sound warning. He didn't say to hold his ears.
I don't hear. Tobada mo kunjina ko? Kuna jina? I could can get up when they my yard and up in the back show. Slap her for me. Kuna ji? Slap. That's what the shaggy.
Hey, you are even surprised?
Yes, I am surprised because the name I gave them was actually Dikeh and Onije. Yes.
Biko, Silas, talk to them before you children. Biko, talk to them. Ekuchakwanam.
But these children will not kill me.
They are children, but beyond what you see.
Dikeh. Onije.
You guys are funny, honestly. You guys are funny. What is it?
This our government is working on. And waiting to make this our government work well now. We say we empower them with money.
Honestly.
Because no government, even Nigeria, everybody need money to empower anything. So this is our present government. Now money we need, no be so.
That's true, my brother.
That's true. Kilonso. Kilonso, what are you saying? Huh? No, Kilonso. I've been teasing that they work with Vigilante now.
Now.
And they make some cash.
Which cash? Look at this one. You mean cash or coins?
You where they talk vigilante self. You forget say the vigilante way they talk. Now village vigilante, no be state or federal vigilante, will be SSS. These people state security state. We are talking about village vigilante.
Local.
Where the money they from come out?
I'll tell you. I beg. This country hard. Money no day anywhere at all.
My brother, it's everywhere, honestly, it's everywhere. But I'm telling you, in some months' time, this Richard you're seeing, me, I will become new, improved Richard. I will become the richest guy in town.
How you want to do it? You won't go break bank, and we won't go rob.
You rob. I mean, it's your bed now. I won't do it now.
It's your bed.
I know.
Come on, let's go.
Come. One more. Now tell me something. Sure, you know, say, most of the rich men, when you know today, they get ready, they attend to their spiritual needs for money. Sure, you know. 70% of the rich men today, now this man, you get this man, is now they make them what they be today. Yes, now.
Where the man they stay. This is the way they talk. You know this one, you know this one. And you can't know people like us, you can't let them poor. At least, if you follow for the 70% of the richest, we'll go follow for 59 or 28 of the richest. Show us where the man is, so I will go there.
I beg. Very important.
Important.
Illuminima, my place. Ijebu Ode. Ijebu Ode. He get one of my friends who tell me much about this man. You understand? This man will even give us guarantee. Hey, honestly, me I see you also. This one pass Niger bet.
So where you there? So we go follow you gonna be
simple.
We go follow gonna be.
That one they very important. I beg. Richard, I beg.
Money no dey again.
That one a question.
Whether we won't go. Okay, ask us whether we won't reach. One day reach.
Okay. Anything we want to do for us. Okay.
We are your brothers. Now suffer, we don't suffer. Eh? Anything where you know say you go fit do for us. Eh? Carry us go meet this man. Make our destiny. If you follow for the richest man or richest man, I will come follow for the richest on earth. It's not a bad thing now. Check it out now.
Guy, I beg.
And the way I think they beg this thing, okay. We'll all go together. I'll take you there, we'll all go together.
Richardo!
Not Richard, we'll be calling richest.
Richard Omolua Binimi. Richard Omolua Binimi.
Exactly. Omolua Binimi.
Richard Omolua Binimi. Don't worry.
Silas.
Yes, brother.
I hope all is well. There's no problem.
Yes, there's no problem. Everything is fine. I just want to inform you that I will be traveling. And it will take a few weeks before I come back. So I just want to ask you to please help me take care of my boys.
But Silas, I thought you were doing well with the Vigilante. So what's this talk about you wanting to travel again? Why do you want to travel out of town?
Brother, you won't understand. You won't. You see this trip I'm going to embark on, brother? You see this trip? By the time I come back here, you won't recognize me again. Believe me.
Well, Silas, I will not stop you from traveling. As for the kids, I want to assure you they'll be fine. So when do you intend to travel?
Tomorrow morning, so that I'll get there on time.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Okay, that's no problem.
Yeah, so please take good care of them for me. Thank you.
What would you say? How you feel about that? Maybe for guys to go to Baba. Let's go now. What are we going to do here?
Onyike.
We'll go. I'm very happy for you. Chai, what is it?
Why? Is it because I'm going to Lagos? It's because my uncle asked me to come and help his wife who just delivered.
What can you decide? You've not decided.
Hey, Nne. Decide ya imana igi go do uzomana.
No problem. So bad.
But it's good though, at least to travel out of this village for once.
Lest I forget. Are you coming to Njideka's house?
It's a traditional wedding tomorrow.
Hey, you forget a lot.
You wait till they remember. Oh yeah, now let's start going.
I'm going no. I'm going no.
Poverty, money, I must make him money.
You know how much you charge them back? 5,000 for this one. 5,000 for this one. Yes, 5,000. Make your mind ready. Lagos, 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 my two. That's the next month of the week. That's confirm photo. Lagos, my two. Lagos. Madam, you dey go. I will give her money now. Don't charge you for this loan. Lagos. Lagos, Oga. Also, the my two. Aja Lawa. Lagos. Okay. Oh, why don't you come here? Let's go here. Now, Lagos. Let's go. Okay, now I want to.
1,500. 1,500. Brother, I'll read for. We go read better. Ojota, Jibowu, Maza. On our pass through Jabode. What is Jabode now? Shagamu, Jabode. Enter more. They carry back. I go slap. Okay, no best now. Are you mad? Lagos they go. And so. Silence. Oh, I cannot be Lagos now they go. Enter motor. Leave this. Enter motor. I cannot be Lagos they go. Make I put your back for inside food. I'm telling you. Nobody to Lagos. Anybody to Lagos, but it's on the loss. Huh? Lagos, anybody reach. This on the loss. Pass, don't reach. And they can't go. We go make money, Paul. We go make money. We must make money. Guys, what is the worry now? Hurry. Guys, I think I'm now. What is that? I want that. I don't want this.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. Yeah, thank you. Where's Paul and Silas?
Okay, we went to their houses and we are told that they traveled.
They traveled? Without taking permission from me?
Yes, sir. These guys are not serious with their job any longer.
Sir, we need to recruit more people in this job. Our period is so big.
Yes, we need to recruit more people. You can see we are just few now. We need more people.
You're right. I'm going to discuss that with the king. Meanwhile, you guys should be vigilant, okay?
Alright, sir. Emeka.
Sir.
Come.
Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you
What is the meaning of this? What happened? You hit me with a stick. No, I will stop. Why? How could I hit you? You hit me with this stick, and you are denying. Is he not the only person with a stick here? Guy, I don't hit you. How could I hit you? You didn't hit me. I don't hit you. You didn't hit me. I don't hit you. You didn't hit me. I don't hit you.
Guy, good boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, my friend.
My friend. Who?
Lie on your bed. Lie on your bed.
For what? Why? What brought me here?
My friend, bring the injection.
For what? See, I really need to go home. I need to go and freshen up. Who brought me here, by the way? No, you don't try that. See, whoever
hold him on his hand.
Go what? Guys, don't try. What's going on here? For what? What happened?
Hold his hand.